record there. Lord, okay. Something. Yeah, I think I'm in the corner, but I don't care. As long as we can get a B, I don't care.
Oh, wait, let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, you ready?
Yeah, now it's just showing you. Where am I at? Do I need to show
I
me?
see you. I see you.
Okay, well then we good. Well, I guess you present first because your weeks are first, or
Okay, let me hang up.
the introduction. Oh yeah, duh. I was like, why is it echoing?
It was real bad. Okay. All right.
Okay,
So,
y'all, please don't say nothing crazy, y'all. We recording for this project.
yes.
Babe, you heard me? Oh my goodness, grow up. You don't have to leave, just don't say nothing crazy. I gotta be, but I'm gonna do it. Go there. Okay. Oh, she needs some help. Okay. Next. You won't be listening. No. You keep doing that. Get off.
Okay. So, being that you are the host, you're going to have to go to each slide.
Okay, yeah, let me make sure that works first.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh, okay, yeah, it's right here. So yeah. Is it ready? Okay, there it goes.
All right. Mhm.
Okay, so my name is Desiree Michael, and my team member is Brittany Cody. We are presenting our PowerPoint for our final project. Um,
Mhm.
we emulated different security situations over the 5-week period of class to exhibit that we understood um, concepts that we're learning. Brittany is, since we were shorthanded for our group, Brittany is both the network and hardware specialist, while I am the incident lead and security specialist. Um, the ticketing system that we've done was very basic. We just made sure to track all of our incidents, make sure we identified what the initial problem was, and also trying to detail fully what a full solution was as well. And we made sure to provide accountability through proper documentation. Um,
Yep.
Let me see. And then Brittany will take over for our week 1 process now.
So week one, I was assigned hardware incident where some of the employees submitted tickets through track systems, in which I was able to review each ticket system, go into each individual's computer hardware, find and locate, determine what the problem was, as well as provide a resolution. Um, and each instances, the PC was not turning on, or one individual had monitor issues. So we just made sure that the PC was booting, and we corrected the BIOS boot order just to ensure that everything was processed successfully. Ultimately, each ticket was resolved with a response to each member, just letting them know that their systems are now up and running. Can you click on the next slide?
Yes, I can. There we go.
Okay, so this just shows that a simulation was completed where I reviewed the ticket, I provided a response as well. The screenshot on the right shows that the executive's system is now on and ready. Next slide. All right. The second was a request to fix their computer as their computer was not responding. So I went into each hardware device just to ensure that everything was operating successfully. I sent the response to this member, letting them know that their computer has now been successfully resolved, and they may now go in and see if there's any additional actions that are needed. But they're all set.
Next slide.
Week 2. So week 2, this was a network incident where the employee was having some difficulty with their network connectivity. So I resolved it by correcting the IP configuration and doing a test ping just to ensure that the IP was responding. Next. All right. So this simulation shows the action I've taken place in the Ethernet section of the network and internet in the PC, as well as show that the ping was successful and is active. Next slide.
All right. And then I took over for week 3. For this week, it was just like a basic device support incident. We had a printer that was not responding and not accepting jobs after a recent driver update. So you'll see here on the left-hand side, we put in the initial ticket that is open, has the device information as well as the due date, priority. And then after doing some troubleshooting, I did go ahead and put an update here in the comments just saying that the reason why the printer was not working was because the outdated driver was not pretty much the settings didn't match the new security policy. So once the updater was the driver was updated and the control settings for the users were updated as well. The printer was restored to normal. So we closed that ticket. And then,
It's okay.
and then for week 3, it was a issue with a weak password policy. So the solution was obviously to enforce stronger passwords. So I went through my Windows tools and made sure to enable character length, at least 8 characters. It was standard, so I put that. Also put that passwords will be recycled every 30 days.
30 days. Yep.
Yeah, so that way we make sure to have fresh passwords for all the users on the system. Save those settings, and then for week 5, this was an issue with having unencrypted data files that ended up causing a security issue through the system. So I did go through, again, through Windows tools. I went through the properties for the files that were affected and make sure to encrypt and secure the data, not only in the file itself, but also the folder that held the file as well. So once that was applied and we were able to see that the files were not accessible by all users. We were able to close out that ticket because the security was reinforced at that point.
Right.
And then I guess just to recap, I definitely want to say the number one lesson I learned was definitely team communication. Thanks to
Yes.
Brittany. Brittany really helped and took the lead to make sure we got this done. And also just reinforced for me security practices as well. Some things
Yes.
that maybe at first I didn't understand, I was able to understand further by doing this exercise. So that really helped as well.
Right. Definitely. Collaboration is important, as well as just ensuring that as we're going through these labs, we're retaining the information and we can definitely apply it to our future roles. So thank you. Thank you for joining me on this journey these past 5 weeks and to getting this done. So
All right.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, I appreciate you too. All right. And then further reflection, like we just said, we got real world experience from doing this and ensure that these labs really stuck with us mentally.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
definitely.
All right.
All right. Do you have anything else? I think we've concluded our session, our recordings. Um, and so we're good.
I think so. Let's see. Let me try to stop. Wait, let me make sure recorded. I think it's still recording.